How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Harun and I hope that entrance looked cool. I don't know if it did or not. Hopefully it did in camera. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick lineup. I'm going to go around the back of my head, line this up, clean it up, and then also I might fade into the sideburns as well, and then do a quick lineup around the edges right here. Very quick, a very cool skill to have. You know, this way, again, you don't have to go to the barber every single week and your hair looks fresh and looks like you got a fresh haircut on a weekly basis. So come with me, let's get this done. So the idea here is that you have the line right here, right? So hair doesn't really grow here. The important part is that you try to clean up this part right here. So you want to start off angling your trimmer and then pretty much make that line as you go down and then move it in towards your neck. So you kind of want to start right here and then, you know, move your way down as you make that line. This is basically what you do. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up on the mirror because I don't want to mess it up. The first line is pretty much complete. As far as there is, you want to hold the trimmer facing the ear and then go in a circular motion and clean around it. Alright, so left side is complete. I'll do the same thing on the right side. So the preliminary lines are completed, and what I like to do from time to time is to literally get a razor that has a straight edge razor blade on the end and go around it and clean it up. So again, I have some loose hairs that the machine didn't catch. Just want to go ahead and shave that off with the straight edge blade. Alright, my friends, so the lineup around the neck is complete. So this line is crisp and it looks good. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to fade into the back of the neck right here. Open, close. You want to have it in closed position and start off with the first line. And the idea here is that you just want to move up very little to kind of get rid of these little loose hairs that you had on the bottom and then fade into the hair. Open it up just a little more, maybe 2 millimeters. And again, you just want to flick it up, right? Just want to start at the bottom, flick it up, and move your way up as you go into the back hair. Open it up just a little bit more. Go back into it. Then open it up all the way. And do the same thing. So as you can see in the bottom now, I have loose hair. It's very hard to catch with the camera, but it looks more faded and looks like a cleaner haircut now. Alright guys, so the final touch that we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing that we did to the back of the head on your sides. And you want to start off around the top inner lobe right here with the trimmer being closed. And you want to move your way in a very little bit because, again, you're not trying to get a fresh fade. You just want to make it look like you got a fresh fade and then move it down a little bit to the open position, just a very little bit, and work your way up. And all the way open. Do the same thing to the other side. Alright guys, as simple as that. We have completed the cleanup, right? So again, I went around the back of my head and line up right here, and then I fade it into the back with the trimmer, and then did the same thing around the edges and faded very little bit into the sides of my hair. That's it, very simple, very easy. I'm happy. Hopefully you'll be able to master this as well and you'll be happy as well. And as always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.